Good morning, guys. In front of me is Redmi 13x, and let me show you how to block a number. So, at first, open your phone gallery. Now tap More icon and select Settings. Here go to Block Numbers. And now you can either block all unknown colors by using the stop indicator. Once it is active, you will not receive any calls or messages from unknown numbers. Then mark Add a number to provide some particular number that you want to be blocked. Tap on confirmation mark, block, and that's it. Whenever you want to remove the blockade, mark cross icon and unblock. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.